Welcome to 6975 Orchard Path Drive, a beautiful new construction home located in one of the most peaceful and desirable areas of Clemmons, North Carolina. This property offers timeless design, spacious living areas, and modern finishes, set in the perfect environment for living in comfort and style. From the outside, the home features classic curb appeal with brick and vinyl siding, a well-maintained lawn, and a two-car garage with direct access. Inside, you're welcomed by a bright living room with a cozy gas fireplace and warm wood flooring that adds elegance to every space. The kitchen is modern and functional, equipped with a gas range, solid surface countertops, and a peninsula perfect for everyday meals and family gatherings. Nearby, the formal dining room sets the stage for special occasions. The main-level primary suite offers privacy, a spa-like bathroom, and a spacious walk-in closet. Upstairs, you'll find 3 additional bedrooms, an open loft, and a bonus room, ideal for an office, playroom, or guest space. Out back, a covered porch extends your living space outdoors, perfect for relaxing or enjoying time with loved ones. The home also features a main-level laundry room, natural gas heating, a tankless water heater, and thoughtful details designed for everyday comfort. If you're looking for a home that offers space, style, and a great location, this one is waiting for you. Schedule your private tour and fall in love with every detail.